Waking up at 2 in the morning with a chest on fire makes you willing to try almost anything you find online. You are scrolling through your phone while the heartburn rages. You see a flashy ad for something called EsoRepair. It promises to fix the burn using nanotechnology. That sounds like something out of a science fiction movie. Most of us just want to eat a slice of pizza without regretting it for 3 days. This liquid supplement is making some big waves right now. People are talking about it on forums and review sites. The company behind it says they have found a way to make natural ingredients more effective. They use things like aloe vera and slippery elm. These are old school remedies that have been around forever. My grandmother used to talk about the soothing power of aloe. But this company is putting a high-tech spin on it. They claim their nanopowered formula gets into your system faster. It sounds great on paper. Many people seem to love it. If you look at the ratings, there is a solid group of fans. They say the taste is actually good. They report feeling a lot of relief after using it consistently. That is a huge win when you are dealing with constant esophageal discomfort. But there is a darker side to the story that we need to look at. Not every review is a 5-star rave. If you dig into the feedback from actual buyers, you find some serious headaches. I am not talking about the physical kind. I am talking about the financial kind. There are a lot of complaints about unexpected subscription renewals. People signed up for a single bottle and found their credit cards being hit every month. That is a nightmare to deal with. Shipping delays are another common gripe. Some people waited weeks for their package to arrive. Then there are the refund frustrations. Trying to get your money back can feel like a full-time job. It really highlights the gap between a product that might work and a business that is hard to deal with. The website does have the standard legal talk. They admit this is not a cure for any disease. It is just a supplement. And that is an important distinction to make. You cannot just swap out your doctor-prescribed medicine for a bottle of liquid from the internet without a plan. The mixed signals here are really fascinating. On one hand, you have a legitimate company making a product that seems to help many people. On the other hand, you have customer service issues that would make anyone hesitate. It is a classic case of buyer beware. You have to read the fine print. You have to understand that a subscription might be hidden in the checkout process. If you decide to try it, keep your eyes open. Don't just listen to the marketing hype. Look at the real-world experiences. Research those ingredients for yourself. Aloe and slippery elm are great, but they are not magic. They are tools in a larger kit for digestive health. It is all about managing expectations. This is not a miracle in a bottle. It is a dietary aid with some fancy marketing attached to it. The company makes it in the United States. This is a detail many buyers find comforting. They want to know where their health products come from. However, a local factory doesn't guarantee a smooth billing experience. You have to be your own advocate. Check those review scores for yourself. Look for the recent comments, not just the ones from a year ago. Things change fast in the world of online supplements. If you see a lot of people shouting about the same billing error, take it seriously. It might save you a lot of time on the phone with your bank. Make sure you are making choices based on facts, not just a flashy ad you saw during a late-night scrolling session. Your stomach and your wallet will thank you for being careful.